Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and that's Angela. Say hi, Angela. That's our hound dog we brought with us. That's Dixie. And she hangs out with us when we kind of stuff like this at the Tampa RV show, the biggest RV show in the country, from what I gather. At least over here on the East Coast, it 100% is. So we're here just looking around a little bit. So come along with us because you just entered
the Coolest Life
RV edition. What do people do with these things anyway? Well, there's a lot of food, lots of little food things like this, and then there's a whole lot of RVs you can go in and out of and stick your head in, all different sizes, pop-ups and everything else. And then you're going to see like Dometic is there, which make a whole lot of RV parts and things. Information booth is there. The little bitty sprinters that the pull behinds are over there. Main gate's that way. There's different places you can meet up and go into the show. And also you get manufacturers like this is Freightliner here. My particular RV is actually on a Freightliner chassis. So if I had any problems or issues or questions, this is a great place to get free advice. This is awesome. They also, each one will do some type of seminar. They might have to do hydraulic brakes or leveling systems or whatever, but they'll talk to you about that. Let's see what else we can find. Well, that's kind of cool. Let's get the armadillo pulling this wagon. There's a guy here. Hey, how are you? So every part of this place is different. As soon as you go about 30 feet or so, you got different stuff.
Oh, I'm Washboard Willie. Welcome me here
Washboard
to
Willie.
a fantastic day at the RV show.
Everything's so different. There's a lot of exhibits in there. We're going to go through those here in a little bit. Ooh, the food smells good. This is one of the tech areas. We got everything from beds and different gadgets and all kinds of cleaners and you name it, it's in here. There's your cleaners there, chair replacements. The whole area here is filled with that. There's also one next door to this that's a little different from what I gather. Oh yeah, I got a couple $1,000 to spend. There you go. They'll even let you ride them around the park a little bit. Well, probably. If you pay for them up front, they'll definitely let you ride around the park. They're also offering all kinds of drawings, a free night stay. This is a week stay at the North Naples Tides. There's booths like this all over the place. It's not just actual products like this one here is actual products, facial products that you'd find in any other fair or anything. Got questions about batteries? Battleborn guys are here. They're probably top high end as far as lithium batteries, really on cutting edge. We got lots of competitors though in this day and age. It may be a little cheaper, but Battleborn's definitely got the service and experience to back everything up that they sell. And, sometimes it'll cost you a little more. But a place like this is a great place to get questions and answers as they're getting here. And this guy right here, he's talking about remotes and switchers and everything else. So this area is more for vendors themselves, the people that already got shops, and they bring in a little display here. Lots of things for sale. A lot of times you can find really good deals on things. They'll discount like crazy. Places like this, sometimes, not so much. $31 for a set of dishes. You also run into all kinds of people. I just ran into some YouTubers, Phil and Stacy, I think their name is, from You, Me, and RV. Just ran into them just a few minutes ago. That was kind of cool. I've seen a few of their videos. You just go check them out. So this is one of the examples of competitors to Battleborn. They actually have displays here. And then they got lower prices. That's actually an AGM battery there. But they definitely got different competitors here. Their setups are so different too. The meet and greet area. Oh, there goes Eric Jacobs. It's the meet and greet group. They had set a set time for different large YouTubers. So they come out here and do meet and greets with different people. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of the RV Super Show. I went twice. I was about to say we went twice, but I went once with Angela and our dog Dixie, but which was this video you just saw, and the other video is more about the inside of RVs going up and down. And I try to do a good comparison of, well, mostly the ones that interest me, but try to talk about some little differences that I saw in RVs and some of the flashier things some of them have. But to check out that other video, I could put a link. I'll put a link down below to that video, or it'll be here at the end of this video. But be sure to like and subscribe. And now, as far as this video, the Super Show, did I enjoy it? Yeah. Will I be back? More than likely. I'll be back next year. No, I think we're going to be in Texas then, so in January. But we'll see. It could be possible I could be back to this show. They had so many RVs there. Every manufacturer you could think of was there. Had huge displays. Even Prevost was there, which are really some of the high-end RVs, and of course all the way down to the ones you put in the back of your pickup truck. So everybody was there. So if you have an RV, there was a tech and manufacturers there for help answer any kind of questions you had. But really good time. I like the vendors. They give away ink pens and bags and we got little fans and fly swatters and koozies, all kinds of koozies. So if you're looking for some koozies, I think I picked up about 12. So, and all kinds of places advertising their place. They're always having a drawing saying, you know, if you register with them, we'll give you 3 free nights stay when you come by and visit us. So it's pretty cool. And they're from all over the country, really. Mostly in Florida and the Southeast. There was a few from the Upper East Coast, but it's a great place to meet and greet. I did get a chance to do the meet and greet there with some YouTubers. I've watched Nomadic Fanatic and Wayward Wags and several others. But the day I was there, Eric Jacobs with Nomadic Fanatic just happened to be. He's like 235,000 subscribers, so they had a pretty good showing there for him. And he actually piggybacked off of another a younger couple that I think they have a couple of kids that they're full-time RVers, and they got a YouTube channel. So anyway, as I mentioned before, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, be sure to send it to your friends. And if you're interested in going to the show, I'd highly recommend it. I'll try to catch next year, because if you're watching this now, the show was last weekend. But let me let you go, because I'm going to get back out here living the coolest life.